Hey, what's up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are eating like Tara Michelle. Tara Michelle is one of my favorite YouTubers. I've been watching her for years. I'm obsessed with her vlog channel, and it was only a matter of time that I ate like her because I feel like she and I have very similar eating habits. So we're gonna eat like her today. I'm going to make a lot of her favorite meals, and I'm gonna look at room decor, shopping, and make some TikToks, all things in Tara Michelle fashion. I already made whipped coffee, and I actually just uploaded a tutorial of making that, which I'll have in the description box, but that's something that she's been making a lot recently, and she uploaded like a TikTok about it and everything. So I already have some coffee, but now we're gonna have some brunch, which I'm really looking forward to because I am very hungry. And as always, if this is your first time seeing me, I'm Emma. I make lifestyle videos for the everyday babe. I make a lot of like food challenge videos and eating like other people, as well as just offering healthy recipes and fun things and fashion and all that kind of jazz. Let's make some food. For brunch, we are making Tara's deviled eggs that she makes with hard-boiled eggs and avocado. Never made this before. It always looks so good, and I'm really excited to try it. So I hard-boiled these eggs yesterday. Basically, you take out the yolk and mix it in with avocado, and it's like this avocado deviled egg. I don't know. All right, I made the deviled eggs. I put garlic salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and then some everything but the bagel seasoning on it. I'm so excited to try these. Like, she's been making these for years, and I've always wanted to see like what the hype was. That's really good. She does put guacamole seasoning on it, which I think would add a little bit more like spice, but yum. Big fan. So Tara has like the cutest house ever. She's always getting new pieces and like different items for her like home decor. So I thought I would take this as an opportunity to kind of finally get some cute things for the house.
Great idea.
Do you actually approve?
Well, as long as it's not a response to coronavirus and you're going stir crazy, or as long as it's not garbage, if it's like stuff that we would get anyway and we think is gonna make our home a more peaceful place that doesn't break the budget.
I'm looking at like the sales section of Urban Outfitters, and I'm gonna look at Target.
Great.
Yay, approved. So I'm going on Tara's YouTube channel, or her vlog channel, because she uploaded a video with like making a bunch of drinks, and she showed these really cute mason jars, and I'm gonna buy those. Okay, I'm just gonna order these mason jar things right now. Listen, I made a lot of TikToks. It's time to eat some lunch though. So, you guys watch Tara, you already know. We're going to make these sweet potato gnocchis from Trader Joe's. I've had these so many times. They're delicious. And we're gonna add some spinach for extra veg. I add spinach to literally every meal. This is very simple to make. Just put it on the stovetop, and then once this is like defrosting and cooking, you add the spinach because spinach wilts really quickly when it's heated. Yum! I love it. I love this so much. It's getting nice and bubbly. Now it's time to add spinach. There it is, y'all. Seriously, if you guys haven't tried this from Trader Joe's yet, you need to. So good. Gonna eat this and then make more TikToks. Not that anyone asked, but I actually got this tripod from Amazon. It's the brand Newer, and it's amazing. It plugs into your computer and it actually like turns on, but it's not tall enough, so I have to balance it on my other tripod, and this is where I film all of my TikToks. So if you're right here, I plug my phone in, and this is where I stand, and I do all of my TikToks here.
Well, what's up guys? It's Emma. Welcome to my channel.
Dinner time. I just went on a nice walk. It is so stinking gorgeous out, and Nick and I are gonna watch a movie, and I thought, what should we do for dinner? You know, what would Tara have? And then it came to me, a cheese board and wine, of course. So that's what we're gonna make tonight, or enjoy. Cheese board and some wine. I know Tara prefers Riesling. That used to be my favorite kind. And now I love Sauvignon Blanc. And this is the one that I drink the most. I got this at Trader Joe's, but you can get this at like every grocery store or CVS. This is such a good bottle. And here's all the stuff I'm gonna put on the cheese board, okay? I take this very seriously, like making a cheese board is a science. All right, here are all my ingredients for my cheese board. I've got some sharp cheddar, carrots, French baguette. This artichoke and jalapeno dip is bomb. Some rosemary for decoration. I got some salami and goat cheese. And then these fig and olive crisps, I believe Tara raves about, so I wanted to try them. The important thing is having some sort of soft cheese. I like some sort of meat, and then like a cheddar. In an ideal world, I would have picked up some brie, but I totally forgot about it. Now time for the aesthetically pleasing part about it, when I actually build the whole cheese board and it looks so good.
What you got here for me.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wow. Oh my god.
Right? Wait, let me get this closer.
Ooh.
Look how freaking good that looks.
I like what you did with the almonds, and the rosemary's cute.
My bigger cheese board, I forgot it broke like 2 weeks ago. So I had to work with the tiny space. But this is extra sharp cheddar cheese, honey goat cheese, red wine salami, barbecue, chipotle almonds, habanero, baguette, fig and olive crisps. And then I have olive oil here with some like really good seasonings. These are my end pieces, and then carrots and the artichoke dip, which you can also dip the bread in, and our wine if you want to cheers me.
I love you.
I love you. Cheers. All right guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Nick and I just watched Big Fat Liar. We had a little dance party in the apartment. I did have some chocolate chip cookie for dessert. It was so good. I'm sure Tara would have approved. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, comment down below who you want to see me eat like next, and I will see you guys in the next video.